Okay, ma'am. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I wanna presentations today, I will say thank you for my lecturer, Ma'am Rohima, and to all my beloved friends. And also today's presentations, it's talking about science and technology. A. Computer technology, reading computer components. Read the text about computer components and complete the table. A computer is an electronic device that performs high-speed mathematical or logical operations and executes instructions in a program. Its main functions are to accept and process data, to produce results, store information and programs, and show results. The main characteristics of these powerful machines are: one, its speed, as they can execute billions of operations per second. Two, high reliability in the elaboration and delivery of data. Three, storage of huge amounts of information. A computer consists of hardware. A computer consists of hardware and software. The word hardware refers to all the components you can physically see, such as the CPU or central processing unit, the internal memory system, the massive storage system, the peripherals or input and output devices, and the connection system. Software instead comprises all the computer programs and related data that provide the instructions for a computer to work properly. The CPU is the brains of your computer and consists of ALU or arithmetic logic unit, which carries out the instructions of a program to perform arithmetical and logical operations, and CU or control unit, which control the system and coordinates all the operations in order to memorize input and output data. There is an internal memory that can be distinguished into volatile and non-volatile. Volatile memory is a memory that loses its contents when the computer or hardware device is off. Computer RAM or random access memory is a good example of volatile memory. It is the memory of the computer where all data can be stored as long as the machine is on. On the contrary, non-volatile memory contains information, the data and programs that cannot be modified or can be modified only very slowly and with difficulty. Computer RAM or read-only memory, for example, contains essential and permanent information and software which allow the computer to work properly. Memory storage devices are available in different options, size, and capacities. These devices are extremely useful. They can be rewritten and over incredible storage capacity, up to 256 GB. They can be magnetic or hard disk, optical COS and OVOS, or solid or flash memory cards. There is exercise here. Component hardware. Full name or description, it refers to all the components you can physically see, and function and property are the internal memory system, the mass storage system, the peripherals, input and output devices, and the connection system. And number two, it's software. Full name or description, it comprises all the computer programs and related data that provide the instruction for a computer to work properly, and function and properties are Software is available only after buying the proper license of the software, the function so that it can operate. And number 3, it's component of CPU. Full name is Central Processing Unit. And function, the function is logic, control, arithmetic, input and output operations. It contains one ALU and 1 or 2 sets of supporting register. And number 4 is ALU. Its full name is arithmetic logic unit. Functions are performs simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logic operations such as OR and AND. And number 5 is CU. Full name is control unit. The function regulates the flow of data within the processor. And number 6 is RAM. Full name is random access memory. The function it's a good example of volatile memory. It is the main memory of the computer where all data can be stored as long as the machine is on. And the last is ROM. Full name is read-only memory. ROM contains the programming that allows a computer to start up or regenerate each time it is turned on. ROM is a non-volatile memory. And number 3 is read the text about USB flash drives and fill in the gaps with the words in the box, then listen and check. A USB flash drive is a flash memory data storage device integrated with a USB or universal serial bus interface. USB flash drives are removable and rewritable, and they are small enough to be carried in a pocket. These portable drives are faster, have thousands of times memory capacity, and are more durable and reliable than CD-ROMs because of their lack of case part. Unlike most removable drives, a USB drive doesn't require rebooting after it's attached. They are very robust and use very little power. They just need to be plugged into USB port to work, and they are compatible with any modem. For operating systems such as Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. A flash drive consists of a small printed circuit, moving carrying the circuit's elements and a USB connector, insulated electrically and protected inside a plastic 6 board. The drive is often used as a backup medium to save data because it is very user-friendly and it can be carried. 8 offsite for safety despite being large enough to several backups. Moreover, flash drives are cheaper and less fragile than many other backup systems. Its only disadvantage is that it can be easily lost because of its size, and it's easy for people with a right to data to take illicit backups. Some specially manufactured flash drives are provided with a metal or rubber case designed to be waterproof and almost unbreakable. It's been tested that these flash drives can retain their memory even after being submerged in water, put in washing machine and run over with a car. And for the next presentation will be taking by my friends Dinda Wardani Harahap.
For find the synonym for the following words in the text. Number 1, long-lasting, enduring. Number 1, sturdy, robust. Inserted. Number 3, inserted, thrown. Number 4, easy to use, adaptable. Number 5, fabricate on Unreal. Number 6, hold grip. Five, read the text again and decide if the following statements are true, T, or false, F, then correct the false honest. Number 1, flash drivers are provided with a very limited strong capacity. F ya. F. Number 2, they are lighter that adhere removable drivers. T. Number 3, they need an external power supply to work. T. Number 4, USB flash drivers are compatible with 5 operating system. V. Number 5, plastic case prevents the printed circuit board from being damaged. T. Number 6, USB drivers are convenient for transferring data between computers or for personal backups. T. They are more expensive than other backup system. V. Some models continue to work even after being accidentally dropped into water. D.
Oke, finally. Halo.
Not yet,
Halo.
ma'am. Not yet, ma'am. Next is
Halo, dengar nggak suara saya?
Iya, ma'am.
Ya, oke. Input and suggestion, Ma'am Rohima. This is science and technology. I want to explain the computer technology, yeah, and the computer components, yeah. How much do you know about computer? The question, what is the computer? What is the computer do? And then so bagus sekali ini di slide pertama, ya. And cuma definitionnya nggak ada ini ya. The contextual definition, the computer, and science, the technology. Apa itu science? Apa itu teknologi? Ya, apa perbedaannya science dan teknologi? Nah, itu definitionnya nggak ada. Itu masukan dari Ma'am Rohima. Di slide pertama itu, the first slide itu saudara harus definition dulu. Jangan langsung ujuk-ujuk reading. Ya, paham nggak? Paham nggak?
yes, ma'am.
Ya, itu perbaiki. Definition and the effects dari reading the computer composition, ya, complete the table. This is the computer consists of the hardware and software. The hardware refers to components you can physically see, such as the CPU, central processing units. Nah, the internal memory system, the mass storage system, the output, and the software instead computer program related that is provided interaction for the computer, the work property. This is CPU ya. Di sini kan Anda sudah bagus nih di tabelnya. Di tabelnya sudah ada penjelasan dari apa itu, what's the meaning, the component hardware and software and CPU and CU and RAM. This is computer, the programs, the related provide the instructor, the computer what's property, the central processing units. Nah, this is ini ada satu lagi ya buat masukan buat dari saya. Ini kan fungsinya dan propertiesnya. Nah, feedbacknya ada nggak? Feedback daripada hardware, software, CPU. Nggak ada ya? Nggak ada. Di sini kan hanya fungsinya saja. Betul nggak? Description-nya sudah bagus. Pengertian dari hardware ada. This is refers to all the component you can physically see. And then software, the comprises the computer, the programs related, that's the provided instruction for the computer to work property. Nah, this is CPU. Ini kan hanya singkatan CPU aja, Central Processing Units. Apa itu? Fungsi. Maksudnya pengertian dari CPU, bukan singkatan dari CPU ya. Kalau CPU juga semua juga orang tahu, Central Processing Unit ya. Nah, cuma definition, description dari CPU itu apa? Ini salah. Ya, description-nya bukan singkatan. Salah itu. Dibetulin ya. Paham nggak?
Yes,
Paham nggak?
ma'am.
Ya, jadi bukan jawabannya seperti itu, hanya unit processing units ya. Ya, dikasih penjelasan yang lain. Apa itu CPU itu, titik description sebenarnya ya, definitionnya. And ini juga sama. U ini ya, arithmetics logic units juga harus diperbaiki. NCU, control unit. Nah, itu kan memang singkatan. Tapi kan apa deskripsi? Deskripsi berbeda dengan singkatan. Nah, kalau singkatan ya singkatan, kepanjangan. Tapi deskripsi ya deskripsi mendeskripsikan bahwa software adalah comparison computer program related and the provided instruction the computer to work properly gitu. Nah, ini udah betul kalau hardware and software, and cuma CPU ya, NLU, NCU, and RAM gitu kan, and ROM. Nah, ini jadi harus dibetulin ini, di delete ya. Ya, paham nggak?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Dikasih penjelasan. Coba lihat description, Anda browsing description daripada CPU, bukan singkatannya. Ada singkatan, ada description-nya. Structure and then the definition-nya. Ya, selain dari description juga definition-nya. Oke, itu masukan dari Memroima. And then function-nya and the properties-nya adalah this is bagus nih, udah bagus. Udah tidak ada perubahan. Ya. This is hardware. And the internal memorize system, the Mestron system, the devices and connecting the system. The proprietary software is available only after buying the proper license of the software. The function can operate. Yeah. And the logic control automatic operation, the content supporting register. Nah, this is okay, good job ini ya. For more simple addition, the subtract multiplication, the way, the definition and the logical operating, the such and regulators for that with word processor. And it is good, for example, it is the main memory of the computer where all that can be stored along the station. Okay, good job. Nah, namun Anda harus jelas ini ya, USB the pockets-nya removable, portable ya. Ini udah bagus, cuma Anda lebih detailin lagi ya, lebih komplit ya, lengkapin. Nah, and then this is for example, Anda perangkat lunak dalam komputer itu macam-macam kan ya. Ada specs-nya itu berapa, RAM-nya itu berapa gitu, specs yang terlalu tinggi atau sedang atau rendah. Nah, ini pasti difference ya, berbeda ya. And define synonym following the words. Ya, ini latihannya udah oke, bagus. Readingnya juga udah bagus, keyboards-nya the most, the printer, scanner. Nah, this is kan ini kayak bagus nih ya. Keyboard, this is a typewriter in the arrangement, the case, the correspondence, the number of letters, the key which is paste, the stimulation ya. This is painting, the use, move, and the implosion ya. It's okay. Scannernya, and printernya, and speakernya, disk drives-nya, modemnya. Semua peralatan yang ada di komputer itu. Oke, good job.